Timpiste Sa Chlós. Am lona bhí ann, hí na páistí an mhuith sa chlós. Bhí nasa ag suagra le cáit. Bhí siad ag ri. Hit nasa an talamh. Thosaigh si ag cuine. Glé cáit an múntóir. Ri an múntóir chuig nasa. Cad a tharla. Bhí mé ag ri agus hit mé. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor? Nílam gurtaigh mé mo gluúin. An bhfuil do gluúin ag cur fola? Tá agus tá sí antín. An bhfuil ceadagum dul isteach más é de thuile? Tá glán na gluúin agus sí sa holla. An bhfuil ceadagumsa dul go dtí an holla freisin? Tá túir ara do nasa más é de thuile. Ócán, tá mo gluúin antín. Má thrua thu. Isteach leat anois. Okay, this little drama is called Timpiste Sa Chlós. Now, a close is a yard, so there was a timpiste in the yard. There was an accident in the yard. So here we've got the narrator, and the narrator says, Am lone a bhí ann. So am lone, so time for lunch it was. It was lunchtime. Bhí na páistí, so the children were, am wi, out in the yard. Bhí nasa was, ag suagra, playing, le cáit, playing with Kate. Bhí siad ag ri, they were running. Then we've got hit nasa an talamh. Now the verb hit means fell. So nasa fell on the ground. Thosaigh means started. So thosaigh she ag cuine. She started crying. And then in the second picture, we see that glé cáit an múntóir. So cáit or Kate in English, called the teacher. Ri an múntóir chuig nasa. The teacher ran. So ri means run. The teacher ran chuig nasa towards nasa. And here's the conversation that occurred. So the teacher says, Cad a tharla. Then nasa says, Bhí mé ag ri agus hit me. I was running and I fell. And you can imagine her saying this crying because she's hurt herself. Then the teacher says, An bhfuil tú ceart go leor? Are you okay? And then nasa says, Nílam. Now nílam is níl mé, together. So nílam means I'm not. Gurtaigh mé mo gluúin. I hurt my knee. Then the teacher says, An bhfuil do gluúin ag cur fola? And that means an bhfuil is your knee ag cur fola. That means, so ag cur fola means bleeding. Then nasa says, Tá, agus tá sí antín. It is, and it's antín. It's very unwell. It's sick. It's not good. It's really sore, I suppose. And then she says, An bhfuil ceadagum, dul isteach más é de thuile. So an bhfuil ceadagum, that means, do I have permission to dul isteach, to go inside? Más é de thuile, if you please. Then the teacher says, Tá. So he says, Tá ceadagum, you do have permission to go inside. So tá. Glán de glún, clean your knee, agus sí sa holla, and sit in the holla, sit in the hall. Then her friend Cáit, or Kate in English, says, An bhfuil ceadagumsa dul go dtí an holla freisin. So Kate asks, do I have permission to go into the hall too? And the múntóir says, the teacher says, Tá. Túir ara do nasa. So túir ara means give help to nasa, or give attention to nasa. It's the same thing. Más é de thuile, if you please. Ócán. That's just a way of saying oh or ow, or woe me, or a way of saying ouch. Tá mo gluúin antín. my knee is very unwell or sick or feeling bad. And then finally the teacher says, Mo hrua hu, poor you, isteach lat anish, in with you now. And that's our drama for Timpiste Sa Chlós, an accident in the yard. And if you wanted, you could recreate that drama by finding a narrator, a múinteoir, NASA, and then caught. So you might need about 4 people to recreate that drama.